Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel and my name is Juhi Chawla. So in this particular video, it will be all about eyeshadow and my favorite eyeshadow palettes, and the price range will be from like 200 till 2500, and I'll be showing you from nude shades till very colorful eyeshadow palettes. So stay tuned and let's get started. So the first one is from Miss Claire Pearl Eyeliner Glitter Gold. It says that it's a liner, but I use it as an eyeshadow, and as you can see, it has such a cute bottle, and as you can see the tip, it is so good guys. I really love the glitter, and it is just for rupees 195. This is absolutely a must have if you are a glitter lover. The second one is from Nika K, and it says Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow, and it's in shade Polaris Peach. This is so amazing guys. मैंने already पहले भी इसकी बात करी हुई है in my Nykaa haul, and I have used it also. It is like a magic on your eyes. So again, if you're a glitter lover, this is a must have in your vanity, and it was around I guess 300 to 400. I bought this from Nykaa. Eyeshadow palette is the nudes from Maybelline New York. The shades are so pretty guys. If you are a nude lover, if you like nude shades, the shades are so pretty guys. Like if you love nude shades, then this is absolutely a must have for you. The shades are absolutely amazing. All of them are mostly matte shades. I will just show you the swatches of it. And the price of this one is 905. It's written, so it is around 900 only, and it's a very beautiful palette. Also guys, the palettes that I'm showing you are absolutely in random order. ऐसा नहीं है जो मैंने आपको सबसे पहले glitter दिखाया वो मेरा best most favorite है. So I'm showing you all the palettes, all the eyeshadows in random form. The next favorite is this one from Forever 52. The shades are so beautiful. These are not the nude shades. This is so colorful. Let me just show you. These are the beautiful colors, and the pigment is also amazing. So if you haven't seen my look created by this makeup palette, eyeshadow palette, then I'll be mentioning you the link here, so do watch it, and it is so beautiful. Also this eyeshadow palette is very creamy. I just love the shades. Also the price of this palette is around I think 800 to 900 only. So if you are looking for any colorful palette with good pigment, then do buy this one. This is Diamond Dusk from Forever 52. Now the next palette is from Huda Beauty. You must have seen me a lot using this palette, and Huda Beauty, this is Mauve Obsessions, and it has such beautiful colors guys. अभी भी मैंने इसी से ही अपना eye makeup किया हुआ है. As you can see here, it is such a beautiful palette. I just love the pigment as well as the glitters in this eyeshadow palette, and this is one of my favorites. Also the price of this eyeshadow palette is around 2500, and it has 9 shades as you can see. Now I'm going to show you the swatches of it. So my next eyeshadow palette is also from Huda Beauty, and this one is Sapphire Obsessions. It's all about blues, and look at the colors of this eyeshadow palette. And I'll just tell you one thing, that all the glitters are very pigmented, and the yellow shade which it has, this one is not that pigmented. It's very normal. It's not that pigmented. See, it's not the pop-up. You just have to spray makeup fixer or anything before applying it. So this is the shade that I don't like in this particular palette. Rest every shade is very beautiful. Also the price of this particular palette is 2500 again. So next palette is again from Huda Beauty and it is Emerald Obsessions. Again it's all about green. So I just love the shades in this particular eyeshadow palette, guys. This is so good, and again the pigment is amazing, and since it doesn't have any yellow shade, so all the shades in this are very good. Now I'm just going to show you the swatches. Also the price of this particular eyeshadow palette is again 2500. So the next eyeshadow palette is all about glitter lovers, and if you want to do a very heavy party look, or if you're going in some wedding, I think this is the best palette that you can use for glitters, heavy glitters again I'm saying. So this is by Beauty Glazed Pressed Glitter Palette, and it has 15 glitters. So as you can see, the glitters are so amazing. These are pressed glitters, and now I'm just going to show you the swatches. Also guys, I bought this from Instagram page. I don't know whether it's available there or not, so you can definitely ask any Instagram page for this particular eyeshadow palette, and the price was around I think 14 to 1500 again, but the pigment is wow, like wow. So the next eyeshadow palette is a very small pocket friendly. If you are traveling somewhere, I think this is the best palette for you. So this one is from Color Essence, and it says Satin Eye Shades Earthly Tone. So it has all earthly tone, and the price of this is 550 rupees. I just broke the middle goldeny shade from it. So as you can see, it comes with the brush. Oh my god, I was not expecting that. So as you can see, it comes with the brush, and look at the shades. Now I'm just going to swatch the shades and show it to you. I don't know how did this break, but it just broke my heart. My heart. My heart. So now the last eyeshadow palette is the biggest palette that I have, and this is from Forever 52. This one is for 25.99 की है, and I bought this in discount. मुझे around 16 to 1700 ही पड़ी थी ये in discount. इस eyeshadow palette में basically 3 palettes हैं इस eyeshadow box में. So first one is this box. As you can see, the shades are so beautiful. I just love all the shades. So this is the first palette. Now I'm just going to show you the second palette. So this one is the second palette. It is more of like pink shades. As you can see, mostly all the shades are from pink and red family. I just love this. And the last, okay, this one is the second one, and the third one is here. So it has more like blue, green, yellow, all the shades in it. So this one is the third one, and इतने सारे shades, I think ये 180 shades हैं, and you get it in 2600. So I think it's a very good deal. But इस आई shadow palette के बारे में मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताना चाहती हूँ, that the smell of this eye shadow palette is little, you know, of chemical, I would say. I really don't like the smell. Otherwise I really like the pigmentation. I think इतने सारे shades सिर्फ इतने रुपए में, with that to be with such pigment, it's impossible to get. So I think I really like this eyeshadow palette box, I would say, and this is the box. So it says 180 color super cool eyeshadow palette Forever 52 Professional. So this is the last palette. Now I'm just going to show you the swatches of this palette also. Guys, that's all for today. I hope that you liked this video. Do let me know which palette is your favorite and which one are you going to buy. Also do let me know if you want me to create any eye makeup look with any of these particular palettes. Thank you so much for watching, and do let me know which other videos you want to watch in the comment section down below. I really love you all, and thank you so much. Bye.